I forget my glasses. So I forgot to mention that I got here to Martin's house.
Yeah, bro. Who's Martin?
Who's Martin, dog? Just tell me that. All right, what you got buying, bro? What you got? What you got?
Some Megan coils, Skunk 2 camber, Halo LEDs for the. Bro, not right now.
Bro, I'm just. So right now we're gonna start making the intro for the YouTube video, and Martin over here.
That's right.
Is gonna back me up. How about you record for us?
Oh.
Why not?
I'm gonna get paid.
Oh.
Here, see it.
Should I show everybody? Huh? Or no? Should I save it for last? Keep the Vicious Society stickers. Shout out Vicious Society. Why is Martin so serious? So man, do you plan to change these wheels?
Yeah, man, I got you.
Right now on the spot?
And tighten though.
Yo. Oh man, we're giving hints. We got the NRG e-brake right there.
What's the Momo?
Raindrop.
Momo.
And then we got the energy shift knob.
Here, hold this.
Hold up. You video. You take video now. Yeah.
My boy Ethan on the cut.
Yeah, I'm about to take off all the wheels of the car, you know, because that's what we have to do. But anyway, big plans for the Integra. Got to get this changed to a blacker one. It looks like it was spray painted though. Look at the bad paint job. You can even see like where it goes over, like right there. But like whoever owned like the car this fender belonged to was probably green. And otherwise, toothless, the Acura converted Honda Type R.
Type R.
Integra Type R. Yeah.
Not yet.
We're gonna call this car Toothless, bro, because it looks like Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon.
Yeah, bro. When I put that picture
shout
on Instagram.
Shout out Vicious Society.
Project D.
All right, so we're gonna get a quick startup of the Integra. All right, I'm gonna get the pipes though, so get a little view of the back. Closing the hood now. Give it a little bit 4 RPM action.
This one, right?
The clutch. Bro, I can only imagine how this car sounds on a cold start.
Oh, for real, huh?
Hell yeah. So, other than that, we don't have really much to do today, other than probably take off the lug nuts off of Andy's car and put them back on because they're loose. But other than that, the Integra, the Type R is looking pretty good. So I didn't know this was for backseat riders. I didn't know this was for backseat riders over here.
It's only for looks. Only for looks.
Only for gonna change the headlights next week, and then we have other than the headlights, we have a pretty cool surprise for you guys. It's actually we're ordering a lot of parts for next week, and it's gonna be pretty amazing. So I'm gonna wait for that. Anyway, we're inside the Integra right now, and pretty sweet. Freaking love this car, dude. It's so fun. About to pull the e-brake down? Nah, just imagine. What are you gonna do with that?
Load up someone's ass. He's missing out, bro. He said he was gonna be here, but he's still not here.
This is a proud sponsor, like Gatorade.
Kool-Aid? Tómatelo.
I love this non-brand JDM steering wheel.
I'm still waiting for my Momo, guys. Chill.
Trust me. It's gonna be better than this candy Fruit Loops steering wheel, huh?
Yeah, bro. Momo steering wheel?
Not this non-brand stuff with
Airbag
the
delete soon?
NRG hub.
Needs new carpets.
Yeah, we really do, honestly. These are kind of weared off already. Like the leather's already starting to tear.
Bro.
Recaro, suede Recaro seats.
Yeah, or NRG red. Maybe suede. I should get
love this
Recaro's,
mirror.
Right? Recaro red.
Look, exposed. You guys can see the camera I'm recording on right now.
Who needs a camera when you got iPhone, bro?
When you got 60 frames per second, boy.
iPhone does its work.
But did you die?
Yo, come back, come back. My boy's Integra. What's up?
¿Qué onda, pues? ¿Cómo estamos?
Nomás haciendo YouTube.
¿Oh, sí?
A ver cómo sale el primer día. Andy, what's wrong?
What?
What's wrong?
Oh, well, you didn't get that far.
I did, but I didn't zoom in.
To the Integra.
So, yeah, our friend Andy's having car troubles. What's going on with your car, bro?
I don't fucking know. Doesn't want to start.
No, he's good, right?
Project D.
No, not on the hood, not on the hood. You gotta put it on his windshield.
Oh, you brought me a fucking.
Yeah, I brought your decal.
Oh, you're so cute.
Want to be a
Get
pod?
the hell out of here.
Can I post it anywhere?
Yeah. Put it in my rim.
Now put it on your rear. Put it in your rear.
Maybe put it on your door, dog.
Put it inside my door panel.
Inside your door panel.
And you put it in your passenger.
You put it wherever you want.
Alright, for sure.
My carros, you carros.
Nah, not on the taillight, bro. On the window?
On the taillight.
Nah. You should inside?
Oh.
Nah.
Look into my eyes, let me take you deep inside. A young boy walking place to place on a fine line.
So guys, it's getting pretty late, and we're probably not gonna be able to film anymore because it's getting too dark, and Andy's still working on his car. But yeah, so it's been a pretty good day. Next week we'll have more content because we have a lot of parts coming in for the Integra, and we'll have more stuff to talk about and do. I mean, after all, this is an intro for this channel, so you know, hit that like and subscribe, and scraps on wheels, man. Laters. Say later, Andy. Alright, laters, guys.
And I just know, and I just know, and I just know, and I just know we're gonna make it. Yeah, we're gonna make it. I was 16, no green, but I had a dream. Told my mama that she see her son rise above the fiends. She ain't know what I mean and shit, neither did I. But I have to leave my mark on this world before I die.
know, dude.
And the funny part is, if it dies, he's not gonna be able to turn it on. He doesn't know how.
And then I write rhymes until
Rip.
that thing say 5, and then I make it.
How do you feel about Marty driving your car?
It's
It's whatever.